So we already saw field relationships, right?
Yes.
We finished it. Now let's move on to automation. We'll start doing from next week. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's cover uh, field dependencies. We'll do now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
we'll cover few more formulas. Then formulas I don't need to go in deep because it's more like a testing course rather than admin course. So we'll do field dependencies now. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what picklist do we have? Side dish and main dish, right? Those are
Yeah.
the two picklists. Yeah. Okay. Now, uh, let's add one more picklist called as cuisine type. Can you create one more new picklist? Yeah, in Swiggy order. Call it as cuisine type and add the values as South Indian, North Indian, Chinese, Mexican. Enough. Okay.
The spelling is right, correct? So,
No, it's custom type. You're typing custom type. No, I need cuisine type. Cuisine. Remove the O. N-E. Okay, cuisine type. Yeah.
so what I want to type here?
So here you can enter values like South Indian, North Indian, Chinese, Mexican.
Enough? Or do I need a values?
Yeah, this is enough. Okay. Yeah. Now click on next, save.
Okay. Next.
Yeah. Now go to your previous pick list main course. It's there. One, two, three, four, five, sixth one. Yeah. Click on that. Now scroll down. Add few more values. What else? What is there? For example, you have sambar rice, biryani, fried rice. Fried rice is Chinese. Curd rice. Okay. Now, just add a few more items like roti. Click on new. In the values, click on new. Okay. Now add roti. ROTI. Yeah, enough.
Enough?
Now, yeah, that is enough. Click
Mm-hmm.
on save. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
let's cover field dependencies. Click on field dependencies in the top. Click on fields and relationships. Now type field. Click on field dependencies. Okay. Click on new. So what do you know? What is meant by field dependency?
Yeah, yes.
What is that?
Based on the controlling field, the dependency value has to be captured.
Captured, right? It will be changing. Okay. So controlling field. Select the controlling field as cuisine type. Select the dependent field as main course. Yeah. Okay. Now continue. Okay. Now come down. Okay. So here you will select what are the thing in South Indian, what are the values. In North Indian, what will be the values in Chinese and Italian. Okay. So South Indian select sambar rice, biryani, then curd rice. Control button. Select. Use control button.
What's coming?
Use control button. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now curd rice. Select
Okay.
curd rice. Yeah. Now in North Indian, select roti. In Chinese, select fried rice. That's all. Okay. Now click on save.
Like Italian has no values.
That's
That
okay. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. Now you
yeah.
go back to your Swiggy order form.
Mm-hmm.
Click on the cuisine type as South Indian and see what happens. We can even write some test cases based on this. Okay. So while
Mm-hmm.
we start writing, right, what I'm planning is by end of next week, right,
Mm-hmm.
we'll start writing test cases. I'll come up with the requirements. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I'll share the document with you. I'll tell you, I'll teach you how to write test cases. And you will
Okay.
be writing test cases. There are two in Jira. Some in
Mhm.
Excel sheet, some in Jira. We'll do it like that. Okay.
Yeah. Just give me a second. Let me rearrange few fields.
Now change the cuisine type.
It's a read-only field.
Why?
We kept this one as a dependency, right? So based on the control, I think.
No, no, no. Main controlling field was the cuisine type, and main
Mhm.
source is the controlling field.
I think the page is not get refreshed.
Yeah, I think your org is having some issue. We experienced the same issue last time, right?
Yeah, yes. It's taking time to refresh.
Yeah.
No, it's got refreshed, but again it's a read only. Oh my god.
No problem. We can verify test this tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah,
It should work by then. Yeah.
just a second.
Last time also we created one field, but it not worked right.
Yeah.
Now let's cover a topic called as validation rules. Any questions?
So far good.
Okay. Okay. And you know the Picklist reorder and all those functional, right? Replace, reorder.
Yeah, yeah, I know that.
Okay.
Uh, just a second.
That topic will come under the admin where we will discuss about Picklist administration, right?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah, most of the thing I know new reorder and replace. So no
Okay.
problem. You can go ahead.
Now let's cover validation rules. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you know how to write a validation rule? Have you written it before?
Like project wise in the real time scenario, I've not, but I've used a trilet. So same as
Okay. Now, click on validation rules and then click on new. So, how can you write a validation rule? It's all based on some formulas, right?
yes.
And what is the purpose of validation rule?
Validation rule, like it's used to write whether the customer is giving the correct value, like correct data in the Salesforce. It's in a form or it's in a page layout. So this validation rule is used to check whether the customers or a client are giving the correct input.
Hmm. Correct. Now, I'll give you one scenario. Do you know how to write it, or do you want to try it, or shall I give one example and then you'll do?
Yeah, you can give me. Let me try so that you can correct if I'm not if I'm
Okay.
wrong.
Okay. Now, we have one commission, right?
Yes.
Commission for restaurants. If commission value is, I mean, if it is 10% commission, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give 10, the number 10 in that field.
Yes.
Uh, this commission is
Mm-hmm.
what we get from that, from the company. If the commission is below 10% means then there is no use for our business.
Yeah.
I at least need 30% commission overall. Okay. That
Okay.
is the case. Hmm. If commission is less than 10%, I want to throw some error. I don't
Okay.
want that business. When somebody is adding a restaurant to my chain, if
Mm-hmm.
already the commission is less than 10%, no, we don't want that business.
Okay. So I just want to write for that, right?
Correct.
Where should be the error messages to be? Ashwin, if you are speaking, you are on mute.
Yeah, tell me.
Where should be the error location?
It can be anywhere. Wherever you give, it will only show in top of the page. It will not show. Sometimes, very rare, it shows in the field. There is a bug with Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, beautiful. So, restaurant commission less than 10, you are throwing a error, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Nice. Now, where did you do this validation rule?
On Swiggy order.
No. You should do it in restaurant.
Restaurant.
While adding the restaurant, I should get the error. But you have done it correctly. No problem. Leave it. Okay. We'll continue with the other things. Okay.
Okay.
So, this is good. Very good.
Okay.
Now, I'll teach you one validation
Okay.
where, one second, let me just think about the scenario. I'll formulate the scenario, then I'll give you a bit.
Yeah. Sure. Take your time. Now the dependency is working.
Yeah, it takes some time. Yeah. Total price, discount, and discount should be a okay. Do we have a total price field in Swiggy order?
No.
Can you add one field called as total price? Make it as currency data type.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Add discount as a currency data type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, assume that in the Swiggy order business,
Mm-hmm.
there's one small change. In normal real world Swiggy business, they don't have call center where they have call center only for support. But you cannot create an order calling to the call center. You can only create it from the app.
Yes.
But in our example,
Mm-hmm.
the customer can call the call center and he can place an order. And he
Okay.
can also place from the app. Okay.
Okay.
Now, there in the call center, there will be senior agents, there will be junior agents, right?
Yes.
And we are asking the agents to manually apply discount based on the customer and based on the situation. Okay.
Okay.
If it is a senior agent,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they can give a maximum discount of 15%. If it is a junior agent, he can only give a maximum discount of 10%. I
Okay.
want to do that validation. Can you do that?
Okay.
How will you do it?
It's based on the profile, right? Or based on the role.
Role. Yeah. So try that. But first you have to add the role now. But leave it. We can use even some existing role. No problem. Go ahead.
Okay.
User role. User role in the left side. No, no. User role.
Okay. Sorry.
Role name. Name. Do you see name? Yeah. You cannot use if function in validation rule. In formula, you can use it. See, formula will return something. Validation rule is not going to return something. It is just going to check the condition, throw error. But you have used it correctly, but you cannot use if. Instead of if, you have to use normal, generic, greater than, and something like that. Equal to.
Okay. Insert field. User role.
And if you want, you can even add one final price field. Okay. To make it even simple, you can even use final price. You can even add it as one field. You can apply 10% discount, 15% discount, whatever is the discount rate. Then you can use final price as a formula field. Then you can do the validation. That will also be easy. I leave it to you. You can do the entire thing in validation rule, or you can add one more intermittent field and then do it. I'll leave it up to you. However you want, you can do it. So this is how my classes will be. It will be like practical things merged into Salesforce concepts.
Just a second. Let me put my Happen chart. So based on the total price, the discount has to be a check, right? Or else
Correct.
it
See, for example, total price is 100 rupees. Now I am a junior agent.
Okay.
I'm going to discount and I'm saying 15%. Okay. Now your validation should check the, if you have one final, maybe you can add one final price. I'll simplify it for you. Add one new formula field called as final price. What will you do? Whatever is the discount value given by the user, the agent, it will apply the discount and it will give the final price. For example, our total price is 100. Discount is 10%. Okay. Now, what will be the formula for discount? Total price into discount divided by 100 minus total price. Right?
Okay.
Correct? That is the formula. So you apply that formula. Then you come to validation rule. Now you think and do very simple after that. Earlier it was complex. Now it is simplified.
So here I can select percentage, right?
What are you going to do now? You're going to add the formula field, right? Final
Yes.
price. So final price or price after discount should be a formula type, formula, and return type should be currency.
Currency. Okay.
Because it's a currency field, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
You did the formula field, is it?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you show me the formula once again? Show me the formula. Click on edit. So it should be total price minus total price into discount divided by 100. Okay.
Total price minus?
Total price minus total price into discount divided by 100.
Okay, minus.
Okay. Now put this total price into discount in bracket so that it will work efficiently. BODMAS rule, you know, right? You have to use brackets wherever properly required.
Yeah. So first I need to check the username, right? Sorry, I mean user role.
So yes, you need to check the user role. Okay. Sorry, I got dropped suddenly. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
It should be within single quotes. Any text should be within single quotes.
I'm having the logic in my mind, but so when user role name is North America sales, then I think I'm missing out the function where I need to use.
You don't need function and all for this.
No
Simple
need.
conditions. Operator is itself enough.
Okay.
See, first, whenever you're writing something like this, right, first
Mm-hmm.
have your logic in plain English, like algorithm. Then you start writing it in Salesforce. How do you first tell me what is the condition?
So when user role name is North America sales, then they can give percentages above like final percentage can be above 15.
Okay.
Uh,
So, okay. Now write it in the negative way. See, validation rules. You should say what condition should be met and when it should throw error, you should give such condition. For example, if user role name is equal to international sales and uh, final price, okay. So if he is giving greater than 10% discount, right, we have to throw some error, correct? So
yes.
how will you calculate it? So you will check if total price, okay,
Mm-hmm.
lesser than total price into 10 divided by 100. If that is the case, you will throw some error. Understood?
Yeah.
User role name is equal to international sales and total price less than total price minus total price into 10 divided by 100, right?
Yes,
So if
but
you give higher discount, right, the total price will become lesser, correct?
yeah, yes, like when we give when they give total price and discount, the final price will show. Like, so we are going to see only the final price.
You can do like that also, but if you want to use final price, right,
Mm-hmm.
then one second, I'll think about the formula. So
Sorry,
minus,
I just got confused here. So you
no,
asked
no,
me.
wait, very simple, very simple. So if
Oh, where is that final field?
forget about final price, okay,
Mm-hmm.
or let the final price be there, okay. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say I'm giving 10% or 15% discount. I am a junior sales agent. Now what will happen? Final price will be there, which will be
Mm-hmm.
less than the total price. Correct?
Oh, one second, one second. So first there will be a total price, right?
Yeah.
Less than final price.
You forget about the final price. Okay. Final price, we'll use it later. We wanted to
Okay.
have that. But
Mm-hmm.
let's talk about the this thing, our validation group.
Okay.
So now I'll tell you, see, look at my message in the chat. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I'll type it and send it to you. It'll be easy for your understanding. Where is the chat message? Yeah, here it is. So if user role equal to junior agent, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and there is the and symbol and total price, okay,
Mm-hmm.
or you can even take final price, okay, final price, final price less than, where is less than, well,
Uh,
okay,
Rashmi, we can do one thing. You can just guide me for this VR alone. So I am
yeah,
on
yeah,
right Saturday
sure,
and
sure.
Sunday.
That's what I'm going to do. One
Yeah, you
second, just
can
yeah,
give me like
yeah,
one or two validations so that I'll try it and weekend. Maybe Monday I'll just show it to you.
no problem. I'm just finishing it out. Just give me a second. Final
Yeah.
price less than total price minus total price. I've given you the condition in chat. Okay,
Mhm.
you
Mhm.
apply some real-time values to it. Okay, then you will
Okay.
be able to understand it easily. Just a second. Where is the greatest? Yeah. So now apply some real values to it. For example, user is junior agent. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Now assume total price is 100 rupees. Okay. Now
Okay.
look at the condition. Total price 100 greater than, okay, 100
Yeah.
minus. Now assume he is giving 20% discount. This junior agent is giving 20% discount.
Mhm.
Should we throw error or should we accept?
It should accept.
No, junior agent should not give 20% discount, right? You should not give greater than 10%.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Sorry. The validation will check the condition and it gives error.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So total price is 100. 100 greater than
Mhm.
100 minus 100 into 10 divided by 100. Right?
Yeah.
So total price into 10 divided by 100 will, what will be the value? 100 into 10 divided by 100, what will be the value?
100
10
into
rupees,
10.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 100 greater than, sorry, 100 greater than 100 minus 10, right? So 100 minus 10 is 90. So 100 greater than 90 is true, right? Oh my God. See, I'm itself getting confused. One second. Just give me a second. So total price, I'm typing it in the chat. Okay, just watch the chat. Total
Yeah.
price is equal to 100, right? Total price is 100. Okay. Now
Mhm.
discount is 20%. Yeah.
Yeah.
Discount is 20%. Yeah. So what will
Mhm.
be the first segment value? Total price into 10 divided by 100 into 20 divided by 100. Sorry, not 10 divided by 100 into discount divided by 100. Okay, we can make it like that. So discount is 20, right? That
Yeah.
was the problem.
Like instead of 10, I have to give discount, like, right?
Yes,
Then
yes,
only
yes.
the formula works correct.
Correct. Yeah. Then what will be the case? 100 minus 20, right? 100 minus 20 is 80. Correct. So
100.
when final price, that is the total price, is greater than our discounted price, right? 20% when he is giving the thing, it should throw some
I
error.
just go a little, like, you're too fast for me. Just to
Sorry?
calculate, you're too fast. Just to calculate, I'm just confusing.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you apply this value slowly and then you decide. It'll be, you just apply the total price and discount. I mean, and then you calculate. It'll be easy for you. Okay.
Okay. So instead of going with numbers, I can use the field. So the formula will works here as per now, because you're given the percentage discount as a 10. So for all juniors, it will add as 10. So when it's about uh little confusing for me also. Okay, I'll just apply this formula in the VR. So for both the junior and senior. So as you mentioned, like senior has to give above 15, right?
Correct. Senior can give above 15.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But
Okay.
junior can only give below 10%. That is the condition.
Okay. Understood. So I'll just narrate that one and I'll give you.
Okay. Yeah.
Ashwin, here I have a question.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. So when we are using a final, we are using this formula, but here why we want to use this? Like I can directly give discount, right? So when discount is greater than 10, just a second.
Okay, let's make it simple. Okay, I combined the two scenarios, formula and validation rules, into one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. You do it like this. You directly apply the formula on discount field itself. The validation on discount field itself. Okay. If
Okay.
user is providing, if user role is equal to junior agent, and if he is entering discount more than 10% means you throw error. Clear?
Wait, if user role name is Northern America sales, if he enter discounts,
If we enter discount greater than 10%, you throw error. You apply the validation rule on discount field itself. Okay.
yeah, that's it. So when is greater than 15, then
Greater
the
than 10. Greater than 10.
okay, then greater than 10.
Yes. You throw error. Clear?
Uh, mm, okay.
Now it will work perfectly. Right?
Yeah.
So final price will come based on the discount, and discount will also get restricted if it is North American sales, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Second. Okay. Other cassettes. Yeah.
Now, did you assign the admin user role as North America, or second user role as North American sales?
Yes, yes, I was in, but there is another error like for the restaurant.
Mm-hmm. You gave error as 15%, right? Now give it as 10%. Wait. Save. What is this? Please reconsider the commission. That's for
This is
restaurant, is it?
yeah, this is on restaurant, so I need to create a new record for this user.
Yeah. I'll give more than 20. Yeah.
It's saving.
It should not save, right?
Yes.
If user.role name is equal to discount greater
Mhm.
than 10, it should throw an error, right?
Yeah.
Now, wait. Can you go to user, setup, home in another tab? Go to users. No, I think it's already open. Yeah. Now, second user, Pooja, you see the role name VP North American Sales. Now, click on that. You have to copy the entire thing and give it. Otherwise, it won't work. Now,
Okay.
copy the role name VP North America. No, you should copy the role name, not the label name. Role name. See? Yeah. Now, go there and paste it in the text within these quotes. Okay. Now simply hit on save. Now click on edit and save. Okay. Click on save. Click on edit again. Okay. Go back to your this thing admin login. Change it to copy the label now from users. Go to roles. No, roles. Copy the label now. I think it's label. Yeah. Yes. Now save this. Okay. Go back to your second user login. Save.
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Yeah.
You have to use the label. Okay. Done. Any questions?
So far good. So